Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to online classes and have a pleasant morning to all of you. Now I, Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to do the exercise of this chapter, the duck and the kangaroo. In the previous video, we have completed the explanation, line by line Hindi explanation of this poem. And in this video, we are going to solve the question answers. We'll be solving multiple choice question answers. We'll be solving a very short question answer, and long question answer. So stay tuned with the video and do like and subscribe my channel to stay updated with the recent chapters of NCERT class 9th. So let's start. Alright guys, now we'll start with the multiple choice question of the chapter The Kangaroo and the Duck. Now since you have read the poem, I have explained it in the first part of the video. Now you can attempt the second part in which we are going to see question answer of all related questions like multiple choice question, very short question answer, long question answer. So what would be the correct answer of this question? The kangaroo was afraid that he might suffer from rheumatism, a fever, cold, malaria. Answer it fast in the comment section. I'm just waiting for your answer. However, I'll give you the answer also. मैं भी answer बताऊंगा. The correct option is option A. Next question. The duck was feeling bored in her. Option A, B, C. Which one will be the correct answer? Option A would be the correct answer. Now third question. The duck longed for a. What would be the correct option? Option A, good sleep, ride, swim, delicious meal. Answer it fast in the comment section box. The correct option would be option number B, right. We'll check out next question. The feet of the duck were. Option A, hot and webbed. Option B, wet and webbed. Option C, wet and cold. Option D, cold and webbed. Answer it fast in the comment section box. I'll tell you the answer. Option number C would be the correct answer. Now we'll check out next question, the last question of multiple choice question. The kangaroo could swiftly hop over. Option A, fields and trees. Option B, fields and rivers. Option C, fields and water. Option D, fields and buildings. So what would be the correct option? Answer it in comment section fast. I'm just waiting for your answer. The correct answer would be option number C. Now this is the correct answer. Now we'll move to the next question, that is very short question answer. Now we'll check out very short question answer. How many times did the duck and the kangaroo go around the world? So if you have read this poem completely, you would answer it correct. Let's see what is the correct answer. 3 times. Next question we'll see. What did the duck long for? We have just now solved in the multiple choice question. The duck longed for a ride. The duck longed to go out the world beyond, right? This is the correct answer. Next question we'll see. What is the D and the jelly bow lee? Now the answer of this question is there are imaginary distant places. We'll move to next question. What is rheumatism? Rheumatism क्या है? The answer of this question is the word rheumatism refers to the rheumatic disease that grows out of cold, जिसको कि हम गठिया बोलते हैं, गठिया रोग, as I have explained in the video, right? Now we'll move to the next question. Name the two characters as mentioned in the poem. And the correct answer is the duck and the kangaroo. Now we'll move to another question. Just wait. Now these are the short question answer. We have done very short question answer earlier. Now question in front of your screen is, why did the duck call the pond nasty? Duck ने pond को nasty क्यों बोला? The answer to this question is, the duck called the pond nasty because it was neither interesting nor vibrant. It made the duck's life monotonous, boring, and devoid of excitement. Next question we'll see. What did the duck promise the kangaroo and why? Duck ने kangaroo से क्या promise किया और क्यों? The answer of this question is, the duck promised the kangaroo that if he took her around for a ride, she would fully cooperate with him. She would sit on his back very steadily and quietly so that he would neither be distracted nor lose his balance. We'll see next question. Why was the kangaroo reluctant to carry the duck on its back? The answer of this question is, the kangaroo was reluctant to carry the duck on its back because he knew that the wet and cold feet of the duck was unpleasant and could make him uncomfortable. He objected by saying that he might catch rheumatism because of the duck's feet. So guys, you can take the screenshot of this solution as well if you want. Next question. Did the kangaroo readily accept the proposal? Why or why not? Now answer to this question is, no, the duck's feet were wet and cold and the kangaroo thought he would get rheumatism. Now we'll see next. How did the duck finally convince the kangaroo? Now the answer to this question is that the duck said that she had bought 4 pairs of woolen socks, a woolen cloak to keep herself warm. She would also smoke a cigar. Now we'll move to another part, another question. Now in this part we are going to see a long question answer, and I would request all of you that you can take the screenshot of this long question answer as well. Now the question is, besides her love for adventure, which other qualities of the duck do you observe? Now to answer of this question is that the duck was very resourceful and far-sighted creature in addition to her adventurous spirit. Although she was unable to hope, she convinced the kangaroo to take her on a ride. It is quite difficult thing, guys. You just remember, to convince someone is quite difficult thing. And when it is like to ride someone on its back, no, quite difficult. Anticipating the requirements of the journey, she equipped herself with 4 pairs of woolen socks and a cloak to prevent herself and the kangaroo from catching a cold. She also planned to smoke cigar during the trip to pass her time. Now you can see how much, preparedness she has done. Now next question is that, what is the central theme of the poem? As I have discussed in the first part of the video also, you can listen that video. We should be polite in our behavior and respect other feelings. This is the central part of the poem. Because if we are polite in our behavior, and if we are respecting others feeling, we might be able to get our work done with the help of others also. Now next question. What values can you draw from the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo? क्या वैल्यू आपको इससे निकल के सामने आता है, क्या सीख सकते हैं आप? As this question is quite long, answer is quite long. However, you can take the screenshot. I'll read it for you also. The poem teaches us that the values of generosity and humility in winning own friends and finding happiness. Those who are generous in acknowledging and appreciating the capabilities of others gain a lot in life. Admiration and politeness are positive values that make others comfortable. These qualities help to win good friends and make life very happy and enjoyable. The duck and the kangaroo both are very polite and courteous with each other. The duck acknowledges the kangaroo's hopping skills and offers generous admiration. This wins the kangaroo's heart and he gives serious thought to the duck's request. He puts forth his he puts forth his objection in a very polite manner and accepts the duck's solution humbly. Mutual respect and politeness help them to not only enjoy each other's company but also fulfill the duck's desire to leave her boring pond and venture out into the world. Now we'll see next question. What a preparedness did the duck make for her ride on the kangaroo's back? Mention your viewpoint. So the answer to this question is that the duck bought 4 pairs of worsted socks on that her cold and wet feet could be covered and protected from the cold. She also bought a clock to keep the cold out. In addition, she decided to smoke a cigar daily to pass her time. Now we'll see the last question. What idea do you form about the kangaroo after reading the poem? Now to answer of this question is again long. You can take the screenshot. However, I'll read for you. The kangaroo is an energetic creature who loves adventure and fun. Though he has a helpful attitude, he is sensible enough not to harm his own interest while offering help. That is why he very frankly but politely tells the duck the reason for his reluctance to take her on a trip. He is very cautious and practical. He believes in taking precautions in advance and avoid trouble. Hence, apart from making sure that the wet and cold feet of the duck will bring him no harm, he gives instructions in advance to the duck to sit steadily on the tip of his tail so that he might not lose balance. The kangaroo shapes up as a straightforward creature that is polite but firm in his dealings. Once he makes a commitment, he keeps it. Thus, his frankness and honesty win over the duck's heart, and both he and the duck thoroughly enjoy the ride. So now guys, we have completed the long question answer as well. We have completed this chapter, and I would request all of you to read this chapter thoroughly so that you can understand it in a better way, in best manner. And we will now meet with a new topic, new chapter in next video. Till then, take care, bye, and have a nice day. Thank you everyone.